is his last chance to continue playing at the high-end level of the NBA. Hi, this is Dr. Omar Perez, sports medicine specialist, and we're going to talk about an update on Lonzo Ball's knee injury. The initial injury was a meniscal tear that it was repaired. Second surgery was to take a piece of the meniscus out, and that's when they found the bone bruise. He even tried to go back in practice, but the pain didn't allow him, so they tried to treat this bone bruise conservatively, but ultimately he had a loose piece of cartilage or a cartilage defect on his knee, and that's what they're treating right now. The last surgery, it's a cartilage restoration procedure in which they transplant cartilage either from a healthy area of his knee, an area where the cartilage is not necessarily needed. The knee will be fine without that area being covered, transplanted into the damaged cartilage. That's using his own tissue. Another option is using a cadaver donor for the transplant. This is typically used on bigger pieces of cartilage. We're uncertain which of the two he's undergoing. What we do know is that once you get the cartilage transplanted, it can take at least 6 months up to a year for him to be able to return to basketball. That's why they're predicting he's going to lose pretty much all of next season. So that's unfortunate. This is his last chance to continue playing at the high-end level of the NBA. We'll continue to follow his progress and update you as we go.
Bueno, sí.